Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a dollar symbol on your WPS presentation on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just move on to the video. Now, how to insert a dollar symbol in your WPS presentation, we're just going to show this video. So I'm just opening a new slide here. So okay. So now you can't find any insert symbol. You just going inside the insert symbol or insert option. Here you can't find any symbol option here. So instead of that, you can just use your keyboard. Here I just using Google Keyboard or you can just download it from the Play Store. Okay. Now click on this number section and you can find the dollar symbol directly here. So this is the only way that you can just insert the dollar currency symbol on your WPS presentation mobile. So you can't find any symbol here. So only use as a Google Keyboard as an alternative. So you can find a lot of symbols here. So one of that is the dollar symbol that is here you can just easily insert. So I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Maybe Unique. Have a wonderful day.